back to Gurudev Online 6th Standard Mathematics class. I am Niranjan HM, 9th period, Basic Geometrical Ideas. I am going to discuss with you on today about circle. Yes, very important class, circle. Dear children, what is circle or define circle? A set of all points that are at a fixed distance from a fixed point are joined in the geometrical figure obtained is called circle. Dear children, observe here, it is the compass. Name of the apparatus is compass. By the help of the compass, it is the point, center point. By the help of the compass, we shall form a circle. Dear children, this is the fixed distance. Don't disturb the distance. Okay. This is the center point. Observe carefully. This is the circle, okay? Yes, this is the circle, this is the center point. Dear children, the definition of circle, once again, a set of all points. Where are all points? Dear children, here are number of points. A set of all points that are at a fixed distance from here to center to here, here to here, here to here, okay, from center to edge, okay, all points in a fixed distance from a fixed point, okay, fixed distance from a fixed point are joined. Here is one, here is one, here is one point, here is another point, joined together one by one, and finally we get geometrical figure. This is the geometrical figure. This geometrical figure is called circle. Dear children, the circle has many important parts. Let us know one by one. The first one is center. This is the one of the part in a circle. Center. What is center? Define center. Dear children, the fixed point in the circle is called center. Fixed point in the circle is called center. Okay? Yes, this is the definition of center. Dear children, observe here. This is complete edge. This complete edge we called as a special name circumference. This complete edge we called as circumference. I mean here number of points joined together to form a circle. Okay, this complete edge we called as circumference. What is circumference or define circumference? The length of a circle or perimeter of a circle. Dear children, from here to up to here. Okay, the length of a circle or perimeter of a circle is called circumference of a circle. Define circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle definition is the length of a circle ORR or perimeter of a circle is called circumference of a circle. This is center is one of the part, circumference is another part. Okay, this is the definition of circumference. Dear children, observe here. I have marked a 2 point. Observe here. This is A. This is B. You are very well about to know this is whole edge we call as circumference. In the circumference, I have marked 2 points A and B. Now you observe only this portion, only this place, okay, only this portion from here to here, this portion. Are you clear now? A to B, only observe A to B. This special portion we called as arc, A-R-C, arc. What is arc or define arc? Dear children, arc is nothing but a portion of a circumference of a circle. A portion of a circumference of a circle is called arc. Dear children, AB is a arc. Arc can be represented. This is the representation of arc. For example, from here to here. You may imagine D, C, this is D. So C to D is represented arc. Arc is nothing but a portion, place, okay, where in the circumference, okay, a portion, this from here to here. A portion of a circumference of a circle is called arc. Are you clear? A portion of a circumference of a circle is called arc. This is the definition or information about arc. Arc can be represented by like this. It can be represented CD. What is CD? CD is an arc. It is the representation, symbolical representation. Okay. Dear children, here is point A, here is point B. I will join point A and point B by the help of scale. Yes, I have joined point A, point B. Now you only observe only here to here. Don't observe portion and any other area. Okay, just observe A, B. Dear children, this is the line segment. AB is the line segment. We call it as a special name. This is we call as chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord. What is chord? Dear children, a line segment which is connected 2 points on the circle. Where is the point? Ending point. This is and this is on the circle. This is not a circle. This is not a chord. Is it chord? No, it is not a chord because this line segment not on the circle. Starting point and ending point are not on the circle. That's why this is not called as a chord. So this is we called as chord. What is chord? A chord is a line segment. A line segment which connected a line segment which connecting 2 points on the circle. Which connecting 2 points on the circle. Point to be noted. Going on the circle called chord. Let us draw one more chord. This is also chord. Let us give name Z, Q. Z and Q is a chord because it is a line segment and it is connected and it starts from on the circle and also ended the circle. The chord is nothing but a line segment which is connected 2 points on the circle is called chord. Okay, dear children. Just observe AB. So AB is one of the arc as well as AB is a chord. Dear children, here is a place. I mean region. Here is a place. Okay. This place, I mean this region we call as segment. Okay. AB. Arc AB and also chord AB. Okay. Just you may write here is one point. Yes, here is K. Okay. SK is a chord and AB is a line. SK is a arc. AB is a chord. So by the help of chord and also arc, here is the region created. Okay. This region we call as segment. Dear children, what is segment or define segment? So this particular area, particular region we called as space. In general language, space. This particular place we call as segment. Define segment. Define segment. A region in the circle. A region in the interior of a circle. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by arc and also chord. A region in the interior of a circle. This region area. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by chord and also arc is called segment. Very important point, segment. Okay. This is also one of the segments. Just imagine A is not here, B is not here. From here to here, ZQ is a chord. Okay, from this area is, this region is called segment. If you consider AB, this is segment. From here to here is segment. Only this part. Clear? This is the definition of segment. Okay, dear children. Here is the center. Here is the center. I'll draw a line from center, from here to here, center to up to circumference, okay, and boundary of the circle. Dear children, this line we call as radius, okay, this particular line we call as radius. What is radius? What is radius or define radius? Radius is a fixed distance. Radius is a fixed distance between the center and the set of all points. Radius is a fixed distance between the center and also set of points. Dear children, it is also radius. Observe here, you may measure by the help of a scale. Measurement of this one and this one is equal because this is we call as radius. The radius is a fixed distance between center from the points is called radius. One is the radius. Radii is nothing but more than one. Okay, that is the plural form. Radius is one, radii is more than one. This is we call as radius. Dear children, once again, here is a center. Here is a center of a circle. By the help of the scale, I will draw one more line. I have drawn a line. This line passes the center of the circle. Okay, this line passes the center of the circle, so we call it as diameter. Okay, it has a special name, diameter, and also we can call it as chord. The chord is nothing but 2 points. Chord is a line segment which connecting 2 points on the circle is called chord. Okay, it can be called as chord as well as diameter. Why do we call diameter? Because it passes the center of the circle. Shall we call ZQ is a diameter? No, ZQ is not a diameter. Are you clear now? ZQ is not a diameter. So the diameter is NM. NM is a diameter, not ZQ is a diameter. Okay, ZQ is chord, also NM is chord, but NM is a diameter, but not ZQ is not a diameter. Diameter is nothing but that line should that line should passes from the center of a circle. Are you clear, dear children? This is the diameter. Dear children, here is one radius, here is another radius. There are radii in a circle. This radii is created a region. This region, observe here. This is the region. Two radii and also one arc. Which is the arc here? Yes, arc. From here to here. This is the arc. Arc is what is arc? A portion of a circumference of a circle is called arc. Okay. Arc and also two radii. Okay. Two radii. Observe here. The one, if we call one, that is radius. Radii is nothing but more than one. See, this is also radius. This is also radius. Okay. Here two radius and also one arc. By the help of the two radius and one arc, there is a place, there is a region. The region is created. This region we call as sector. This is segment. Okay, this is we call as sector. Okay, this area we call as sector. Are you clear, dear children? This is the sector. Okay. One more important point, dear children. Just we have discussed about diameter. See this diameter. What is the special about diameter? The diameter, it divides a given circle into two equal halves. So if we cut a diameter here, the distance, area region, this region and also this region is completely same. Okay, same measurement. Okay, this is special about diameter. How many diameters shall we draw in a circle, given circle? Infinite number of diameters can be drawn in a given circle. Okay, one more important thing I would like to recall. See, observe here. Chord is not a diameter. Okay, chord is not a diameter. Diameter might be chord. Diameter might be chord. Are you clear now? All chord are not diameter. All chord not a diameter. Okay, but all diameter are chord. All diameter also we called as chord. Okay, once again, this is arc, this is chord, this is diameter, this is this area, this region we call as segment, this is sector. Okay, if one radius, one line from the center and the boundary of the circle, we call as radius. If more than one, we call as radii. Okay, dear children, this is what about some information. Yes. Let us observe parts of a circle by the help of the paper. Observe it, dear children. This is the example of circle. This is the example of circle. Dear children, just we have discussed about segment. So this part we called as segment. See, this particular shaded part we called as segment. Are you clear? Segment. See, this is the segment. What about this? This is we called as sector. Dear children, this shaded part. This is we called as, this part is the sector. This is the sector. Are you clear? This is the sector. Sector is nothing but radii and also arc, enclosed a region by radii and also arc. See, this is the arc. Arc, and here this is one radius, this is another radius. This is the center of the circle. Okay, these two radius enclosed, two radius and also arc enclosed a and also created a region. This region we called as sector. Okay, dear children, this is the sector. What about this? This is the interior of a circle. These 2 points. Observe, this is and this is interior of a circle. This is the diameter, which is, this is diameter. Okay, diameter, and also we can call it as chord. This is only chord, not a diameter. Okay, diameter. What is the special about diameter? Diameter, it passes the center of the circle. Okay, this is chord, and also this is also we can call it as chord. This is segment. This a region we call as segment. This is the part. This part we call as arc. Okay, and if we talk about this, what about these? These are exterior of the circle, exterior points of the circle. These two are interior points of the circle. I hope it's clear. Okay, this is all about circle. Okay, today's content circle. In the next video, let us solve the exercise 4.6 problems. Until, please watch a video once again, you to become perfect. Okay, until, have a nice day. Thank you.